Hello friends, I am VanidasMangathil. I am a watercolor artist. I like to paint loose landscapes, streetscapes, and I am particularly interested in those tiny figures that you will find in landscapes and streetscapes. I am a self-learned artist. I learned a lot from YouTube, and I feel that it is my responsibility to pay back to YouTube to help upcoming watercolor aspirants, watercolor artists. So with that idea in my mind, I have created this channel and I will be uploading a couple of videos every week. My current plan is to post a tutorial video on Tuesday night, Thursday night and Saturday night at 9 p.m. India time. If you like watercolors and if you want to learn watercolors and particularly loose landscapes, streetscapes and those tiny figures, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, suggestion, you're always welcome. You can write them into the comment box below. So please go and click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you get timely notified whenever I upload my new videos. So hope to see you in my tutorial videos. Thank you very much. Happy painting.